Ever wonder why some snowblowers last for years, while others quit after just one winter? Repair shops see it all, and they know exactly which machines are built to survive heavy snow in tough conditions. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best snowblowers recommended by repair shops for 2026. These picks stand out for their power, reliability, and smart design. I'll walk you through the key features, real-world pros and cons, and what makes each one worth your money, so you can choose the perfect model for your needs. And remember, all product links are in the description box where you can check prices, full specs, and reviews. Let's get started. Number 5. YardMax Gas Snowblower. The YardMax YB6770 is built to make winter cleanup faster and easier. This 26-inch, 2-stage gas snowblower runs on a strong 212cc 4-cycle engine designed to handle snow up to 12 inches deep. It features a push-button electric start so you can get it running quickly, even on freezing mornings. There's also a recoil backup for extra peace of mind. The self-propelled drive system gives you 6 forward speeds and 2 reverse speeds, helping you stay in control on different surfaces. Serrated steel augers cut through packed snow and ice, while the powerful impeller throws snow far and keeps blowback low. The heavy-duty aluminum gear case is made for long-lasting performance. For comfort, it includes heated hand grips, a bright headlight for early mornings or late nights, and a simple dashboard with easy speed control and even a cup holder. The pin-lock axle lets you switch between 2-wheel drive for traction and 1-wheel drive for easier turning. Overall, this machine is a solid choice for homeowners who need strength, control, and comfort during tough winter storms. Number 4. Built Hard Gas-Powered Snowblower. The Built Hard 28-inch 302cc gas-powered snowblower is built to handle tough winter storms with confidence. It runs on a strong 302cc 4-cycle engine that delivers steady power at 3,600 RPM, making it a reliable choice for heavy snow. This is a 2-stage self-propelled snowblower, so it pulls itself forward. You can choose from 6 forward speeds and 2 reverse speeds to match your pace. The push-button electric start makes cold mornings easier, and the bright LED light helps you see clearly in low-light conditions. It rides on 15-inch pneumatic tires that grip well on gravel or concrete. The serrated steel augers break up packed snow, and the 190-degree adjustable steel chute lets you throw snow exactly where you want it. Adjustable skid shoes help protect your driveway surface. For safety, always use it in a well-ventilated area and wear gloves and eye protection. Keep clear of moving parts and let the machine cool before refueling. It also comes with a 1-year warranty and customer support for added peace of mind throughout the winter. Number 3. PowerSmart 26-inch Snowblower. Winter can be tough, but the PowerSmart 26-inch gas snowblower makes clearing snow a lot easier. This heavy-duty machine is built with a strong steel frame, so it can handle deep, wet, or packed snow without slowing down. It runs on a powerful 252cc 4-cycle engine that delivers strong performance, moving up to 2,400 pounds of snow per minute. The 2-stage system helps break up heavy snow and throw it far away from your driveway or sidewalk. You get a wide 26-inch clearing path and can handle snow up to 12 inches deep with ease. Starting it is simple. Just plug in an extension cord and press the electric start button. The self-propelled drive lets you choose forward or reverse speeds so you stay in control. You can also adjust the chute to throw snow up to 45 feet in the direction you want. With rugged 13-inch snow tires and a bright headlight for early mornings or late nights, the PowerSmart 26-inch snowblower is a reliable choice for serious winter weather. Number 2. Husqvarna 2-stage snowblower. The Husqvarna ST124 is a strong and reliable 2-stage snowblower built to handle tough winter days. Powered by a 212cc 6-horsepower 4-cycle gas engine, it delivers steady power to clear heavy and wet snow with ease.
With a 24-inch clearing width and a 21-inch intake height, this machine can move a large amount of snow in less time. The ribbon auger mixes air into the snow, helping it clear smoothly and throw farther. Its 13-inch snow tires provide solid grip, giving you better control even on slippery surfaces. Starting is simple thanks to the electric starter. You can also change the chute direction quickly using the remote chute rotator lever on the control panel. The molded console and all-steel chute are built for long-lasting durability. Weighing 173 pounds and finished in Husqvarna's signature orange, the ST124 is designed for performance and strength. It also comes with a 3-year bumper-to-bumper warranty and a 5-year engine warranty, giving you extra peace of mind through every winter season.
Number 1. Ariens Deluxe 24-inch Snowblower. The Ariens 921045 Deluxe 24-inch snowblower is built to handle tough winter storms with power and control. It runs on a strong 254cc Ariens AX overhead valve engine, giving you reliable performance in deep snow. With a 24-inch clearing width and a 21-inch intake height, it can handle snow up to 21 inches deep with ease. This is a 2-stage self-propelled machine with 6 forward speeds and 2 reverse speeds, so you can move at a pace that feels right. The 14-inch steel serrated augers cut through packed snow, while the powerful impeller throws snow up to 50 feet away. It features auto-turn steering for smooth, easy handling, almost like driving a small vehicle. The 16-inch Polar Track tires provide strong grip on slippery surfaces. You also get a 120-volt electric start for quick startups, plus a bright headlight for early mornings or late evenings. Backed by a 3-year consumer warranty and a 5-year gear case warranty, this Ariens snowblower is a dependable choice for serious winter cleanup.